In today's tutorial, we are going to be treating colors now, and how to use colors and when to apply colors. Now, this color app is actually used when you are not certain or sure about a particular color you want to use. Do you understand? Now, remember we learned color as of yesterday on our WhatsApp platform, on our live class. So now when you click on this color app, it's going to give you different color scheme. So can you see that? So with this now, you can now make choice on which color you want to do. Now remember we talked about color, we talked about another good color and complementary color. Thank you. Yes, we talked about complementary colors. Now you see this place here where you have generate. So you click on generate and you'll be generating colors. Do you understand? So like this color now, you could see this is like that color that is one color but has different this thing. Now you see this maroon color, you see the one following it, that's a different shade of maroon color, right? Like red. Now you can click generate until you generate the color you want for your design. So you just keep clicking generate until you see the color scheme that is best for you, for the particular design you want to do. So when you click generate like this, you click on generating colors. Do you understand? So after you generate colors, now you see this color code. You see all these DD, FCDA and all that, and C8EO, all those things are called color code. This color code, you can copy them or write them down somewhere. So now to get our color from our color app to our pixel lab, it's easy. The way you can do it, you copy this color code that you're seeing here. So for example, let's say we love a color code here, we want to use a shade of green. Now if I have actually registered this my colors, there would have been a way I would have actually asked it to give me shade of green based on my registration. As I'm generating, it will give me. Do you understand? But because I have not registered it, it's actually mixing up colors. Now for example, let's say I want to use this shade of blue, these two blues I'm seeing here, right? Now I want to use the color. I will copy this color code. Now you can even see that this white here is even whiter. So I'll copy this color code for my blue. So I'll copy for the blue, for the thick blue. Now to copy the color code for this blue, just tap on the blue color, tap on any of the color you like so much, you want the color code for it. You just tap on it and they will show you copy color down there. Can you see it? So you copy it, bam, and then you will now take it to your pixel lab. So let's go to our pixel lab and use this color. Now let's say we want to use this color on this shape here, right here we have here. So to use this color on this shape, we are going to click on our color. So first of all, let me just stick good here so that we'll know how we got there. So bring in our shape, then we'll go to color. So when we click color, you click on this plus icon, then see this guy here, this pencil guy here, this pencil here is where you put your color code. So you click on him, you click on the pencil, and then this is our color code where you can put our color code. Now you see this red, green and blue on Photoshop is a setting called RGB. So when you hear RGB, they are talking red, green and blue. So on any graphic design software, you see anything called the RGB, it's red, green and blue. So now you tap on this part where you have this color code right here, right? Now I want to replace it with the one I collected for the color app, and I've replaced it now. So after replacing it, don't forget to click on this good you are seeing here. You see this good, don't forget to click on it. If you don't click on it, you will not have the result. So you click on this good. Immediately you click on this good, you will find out that the color here has changed. On this circle there was a color, it was showing color green. Now since I clicked on the good, as I clicked on the good to say, the color changes to the blue I wanted. So I will click on this OK and it has changed to blue. I will click on OK again. So you see that our green shape has now changed to blue. So that is how to copy a color and bring it to your Pixel Lab if you want to use that particular color. It's the same thing on any design software, whether it is Photoshop, it is CorelDRAW, any design software, they all use the same color code. So that's to tell you that Pixel Lab 2 na senior man for your phone, because if it's using what other software designers are using on laptop, tell you say Pixel Lab 2 na senior man. So that is just that. So this is the end of this tutorial video. God bless you for watching.